everyone, my name is Nikita. I am from ECE branch. My subject is Python programming and my topic is membership and identity operators. Python membership and identity operators. Python offers us various operators to perform manipulation and operations on the data values and variables at a boundary scale. In the context of this article, we would be primarily focusing on two important types of operators in Python, that is membership operators and identity operators. First, Python membership operator, that is in and not in operators. Python membership operators help us evaluate and validate the membership of the data type in a particular sequence present in data structures such as list, tuple, etc. These we mean to say it checks for the presence of the given sequence of data into another sequence or structure and validate the same. Python in membership operator. The in operator is a Boolean operator that checks for the presence of a particular data sequence in the data structure and returns true if found, else it returns false. Example. This example, we search the data sequence value 10, 20 in the list of list 1 been found. It prints the resultant statement. Here we can see the example of Python in membership operator. List 1 is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We can take any values. List 2 is equals to 10, 6, 27. For I in list 1, if x in list 1, it prints data overlaps for value that is x. Python not in membership operator. The not in operator results true if it does not encounter a given data value in a sequence such as list, string, etc. Example. The data value 32 is not present in the list. Therefore, it returns false and prints the statement after if condition. List is equals to, we can take some numbers, data is equals to 32. If data not found in list, print data not found, else print data is found. Python identity operators, that is and is not. Python identity operators are used to determine whether a value is of a certain class or type. They are usually used to determine the type of data a certain variable contains. Each operator evaluates to true if it variables on either side of the operator point to the same object and false otherwise. Python is identity operator. With is operator, we can easily check for the validity of the value on the either side, whether the point to the same memory point or have same data type or the desired data type, etc. Example. The below example we have used is operator to check if the data value is of type float, it returns true. If the condition statement satisfies, else would return false. Data is equals to 40.03. If data type is float, it prints true. Else it prints false. Python is not identity operator. With is not operator, we check the validity against the equality or the above conditions, and if they do not satisfy, it returns true. If the condition satisfied, it returns false. Example, data is equals to 40.03. If type data is not int, print not same, else print same. Conclusion. The membership and identity operators come in handy while looking to check for certain elements in a sequence of data and to check the identity of the data respectively. The identity operator can be used with the type of function for checking if a variable is of certain type or of certain class before performing any operations on it. We can see the many operators. Assignment operator, an operator which is used to assign the data or result of an expression into a variable is called an assignment operator. The assignment operator is denoted by sign. Types of assignment operator: simple assignment operator, shorthand assignment operator, multiple assignment operator. Simple assignment operator. The syntax of the simple assignment operator is variable is equals to expression. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 5. Logical operator. Logical operator are useful to construct compound conditions. A compound condition is combination of more than one single condition. Each of the simple condition is evaluated to true or false, and then the decision is taken to know whether the total condition is true or false. There are two logical operators and or operators. We can apply these operators for the Boolean type or non-Boolean type. For non-Boolean type, 0 means false, non-zero means true. Empty string is always treated as false. Bitwise operators. The operator acts on individual bits on the operands. We can use bitwise operators directly on binary numbers or on integers also. When we use the operators on integers, these numbers are converted into bits and then bitwise operator acts upon the bits. The result given by a operators are always in the form of integers. These operators are applicable only for integer and Boolean type. There are 6 types of bitwise operators: bitwise complement operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator. A relational operator. The operator that are used to find the relation between the two operands is called relational operator. The two operators may be constant, variable, or expression. The relation between the two operand values results true or false. Thank you.